Hello, my name's Bill Calhoun. I'm the owner of ServiceMaster Restore Oakville. Welcome to part 2 of our 2-part series on emergency fire response and fire response planning. In this closing segment, we will outline how managers can prepare their own specific building infrastructure and emergency response plan before fire disasters. This type of a plan would include certain components. Before I outline those, it is important to step back and acknowledge that many condo management firms have developed comprehensive building operations manuals with their own specific policies for maintenance operations and administrative operations. They have developed their own building-specific fire and life safety plans approved by the local municipal fire departments. The management firms will have documented methods and systems for prevention and certain emergency procedures in the event of a fire incident. The emergency fire response plan is to complement those, such as re-emphasizing the info on the building infrastructure, a hazardous building materials survey, if applicable, all important to have ready in case a fire occurs. Together, all of the records in your maintenance operations and your fire response plan could help with subrogation and/or potential cost recovery of condo deductibles that are now becoming much more significant. One of the key aspects of this emergency fire response plan is to specifically address the insurance policy coverage and responsibilities if and when damages occur. This is where a specialized insurance brokerage that knows condos will provide their expertise. As a contractor, we gain the understanding for the buildings we service on their standard unit definitions and bylaws if they exist. This allows for a synopsis to be included in the fire response plan and allows for better service to make sure the condo only pays for the damages they are responsible for when a fire occurs. The plan should include a chargeback policy synopsis based on the bylaw if one exists, and also a synopsis of condo versus unit owner responsibilities. Another key component, of course, is the list of trades, a contact list, and this would include the important insurance broker contact and of course the 24/7 emergency fire contractor. As is the case with the operations manual and fire safety plan, the emergency fire response plan would also include copies of certain building plans and the full copy of the condo bylaws or standard unit definition if bylaws don't exist. Lastly, I want to emphasize it would include copies from the fire safety and evacuation plan, including up-to-date resident lists, and of course, really important to have a list of occupants with disabilities that may require mobility assistance in the event of a fire. In summary, fire response planning by managers with the fire emergency contractor will minimize the impact of a fire disaster if that happens in your condo community.